Hello and welcome back to another Ubuntu Geeks tutorial. I'm UGeek1 and today I'm going to take a look at Pantheon. We're gonna use the Fedora 29 version here and we're gonna check it out by just installing it. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna run a few codes here. I'm in a virtual box. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna use this one. So sudo. I'm gonna add this. We're gonna repository and we're gonna y for yes, and then we're gonna go ahead and go and install all of these software. So I'm gonna paste this one in and we're gonna just command and enter. So yeah, I have looked a little bit at it and I think it's a pretty cool one. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. And for any of this, just go y for yes to download and install the packages. So I'll be right back when it has been fully installed. And when that is done and complete, we're gonna go ahead and do the final one here. And we're gonna go ahead and paste that one in. Excuse me, we have to do a sudo here. And my password. And we're gonna go y for yes on everything here as well, just to get everything if we haven't got it already. So yeah, that's everything done there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reboot this one now, and let's take a look. Gonna save that, and we're gonna go ahead and choose reboot here. Cheers everyone. It's a bit slow here, I'm running it in a virtual box. There we are. So have you guys tried out the new Fedora 29? 27 I almost said. I think it's pretty good. I haven't run it as my main system yet, but I really like it. There we are. So let's see here. And when we come into the login screen here, we can go ahead and click on the little kugghjul in Sweden. How is it in the English? Cogwheel here. And you're gonna choose the Pantheon instead. So yeah, I'm gonna type in my password and click sign in. And let's see if we can see the changes here. So I have 35 updates, and that's quite a lot. I'm gonna open up and take a look at them. So this is the appcenter, excuse me. Some icons seems to be missing. I probably need to update some more. So let's open up a terminal. This was a really nice looking terminal. Let's try and go and screen fetch and take a look at what everything is here. So on Fedora, uptime, GNOME, virtual. So here I'm gonna try and do some updates here. Let's see how that changes everything, and reboot it once more and take a look. So now when everything is updated, it runs a bit more smoother than it did before. It's still in a virtual box, so it's a bit slow, but I think it runs very well. So this is a minimalistic desktop environment done by the Elementary OS guys. So yeah, if you want to check it out, try it. If you want to look at some more images, like go to Pantheon Linux. and check on the images or search on it on some wikis and learn more about it. So for a computer that doesn't have much power, this is a great way to get some more power, not by slowing it down with a slow desktop environment. Like GNOME 3 in the Fedora can be very harsh on your computer power. So thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.